how to view Burger King allergen information. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Burger King make sure that you view their allergen information to know if you have any allergies with the food on the menu. So, I'll show you how to view it. Let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to burgerking.com and then go to the three lines in the top left and then scroll down. Go to Nutrition Explorer, then you'll find a menu here. So just tap on the menu that you want, just tap on one of the dish, and then you can scroll down and you can see the allergy information at the very bottom. So just make sure that you view the allergy information before ordering. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.